What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Currently, Gala'S is sitting at 0 USD. Currently, we're sitting at 0.025, having a little bit of issues here. Sitting at a market cap of 168 million. 24-hour volume is up a little bit, 52.97 million. Let's hop into the chart. So, what I'm looking at does look like there's potential to see a little bit of a bounce. Our indicators, RSI, money flow index, are in the floor here. And you can see the sellers are failing to push down the price by these wicks here, and the bulls are buying it back up. You can see it better here on the 4-hour. You can see the sellers tried to push down the price, more of just a liquidity grab to stop out all the traders that put their stop loss just below these lows. So there is an opportunity to see a bounce, a little bit of a bottoming tail candle. Money is flowing back in on the 4-hour as well as a bullish divergence. And we've been watching those bullish divergences on the daily time frame. I'll just quickly let it load here. As you can see, every time we wick down into this yellow box, well, not every single time, but you can see when we wick down and we pushed back up, it led to a push to the upside. So once again, we're wicking down, we're pushing back up. So this could definitely lead to a push to the upside depending on the daily close. Looking at our wave count, what I'm looking at here is potentially we could be putting in a WXY correction to complete that wave 2. And within the wave Y, there should be an ABC. So what we could be looking at here is this was a 3-wave move into an A, an overshooting wave B, and then you would see a 5-wave move into a wave C to complete the wave Y, to potentially complete the wave 2. If we just break down from here, we lose these lows, then what I'd be looking at, is that we completed the wave 2 right here, and we're starting to come down in the wave 3. But as of right now, all of this is still looking corrective in my opinion. So we could definitely push up in that potential wave Y. In a wave C, complete the wave 2 before continuation to the downside. As ultimately, I do think it'll come down to the 0.15 to 0.17 zone, which is the technical target of the breakdown from this falling wedge. I know it's very slow, it's very boring. This is how it is in a bear market. A lot of sideways price action. Not too interesting. But I will definitely keep you updated with Gala'S. I do think there is good potential to see a bounce from this low. We're continuing to create a strong level of support here with money flowing back in, bullish divergence, and now we have a bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame as well. So potentially we could see a little bit of a bounce, at least to come up and retest these levels of resistance. We have 0.024, and up here there's some. And up here we have previous resistance at about 0.0257, and all the way back up here at about 0.0264. So that's what I'm looking for Gala'S. Let's see how it plays out. Make sure to sign up to BitGet or Bybit. $8,000 over here on BitGet. They recently partnered with Lionel Messi. This is where I do some of my trading here, and Bybit. All links are in the description. If you sign up to either and you make your first deposit, you can email me your sign-up email, and I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, as well as signals, trade signals. All links in the comments, only 10 bucks a month, completely free access to all chat rooms if you sign up to BitGet or Bybit. Make your first deposit, email me your sign up email. All right, gangs, all links and email in the comments and description. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.